Itretinareo hoe eran'izao tontolo izao.
Just imagine we live in the whole world.
Eritrereto hoe firy ny firenena.
Imagine how many countries.
Fa ny fotoana manokana ity
But during this special time,
dia misy olona avy amin'ny firenena hafa
people from other countries that God is sending to us.
Hoanahy
For me,
izany no tena hoe fanomezam-boninahitra.
this is like honoring.
Satria eritrereto hoe tany Israela ohatra
Just imagine in Israel.
olona eran'izao tontolo izao tonga hijery ny fahendrin'ny Salomon.
People from all over the world came to see the wisdom of Solomon.
Fa eto
But here,
misy olona avy any ivelany mananga ny indray fanjakan'Andriamanitra.
who built the kingdom of God again,
Anero ny hery ny
and to
fanakan'Andriamanitra
show the power
hiasa ho an'ny fanjakan'Andriamanitra.
to work for the kingdom of God.
Dia za zany tena mahatsiaro tena hoe
And I feel
omen'Andriamanitra voninahitra
that God
malagasy.
is honoring the Madagascar people.
Dia nofidian'Andriamanitra ity fotoana ity.
And God chose this special time, this precise time.
Dia satria Andriamanitra mifidy amin'ny fotoana io dia izahay koa mifidy amin'ny fotoana.
We also chose that time.
Dia masitsika ny ahita itsika mahita hoe inona no
We
ataon'Andriamanitra.
will all see what God is going to do.
Fa zareo zany alalata zao tonga
They
tetsika.
came from so far, they came here.
Fa ny ankoatran'izay olona eto Madagasikara koa
People in Madagascar,
be reto Madagasikara
the worshippers in Madagascar, the church,
tena mientanentana
they
mihitsy
are excited
miandry ny kasian'Andriamanitra
to greet God's touch to Madagascar.
dia mety efa azonareo an-tsaina nga hoe azonareo an-tsaina mitentanareo hoe aiza ny lalana rehetra
Where we're heading to.
dia manomboka reny fonareo hoe
And your heart starts to
Andriamanitra
feel
atao.
what God is trying to do, is going to do.
Dia ny zavatra tsara fantatra dia aiza ho aitsika izao vanim-potoana inona itsika izao.
Actually, the thing we need to know is what is the season we're in currently.
Dia reny hetsika ataon'Andriamanitra manerana Madagasikara reny hoe ny tontolo rehetra amin'izao fotoana izao reny olona niran'Andriamanitra daholo.
And what God is doing for all Madagascar, all the people who preach the gospel, these are people sent by God.
Fa fohy ny fotoanan'Andriamanitra.
But the time of God is a short time.
Fohy mihitsy.
It's really short.
Mety zany hoe tsy hoe iza ny mahay na hoe iza ny mafy be na hoe tsy ahy mihitsy le fototra
It's not about who is the most intelligent, who performs the best, who is the most powerful.
fa fotoanan'Andriamanitra.
But this is God's time.
Fotoanan'Andriamanitra ary Andriamanitra no misy.
And it's God's time that God will be shown.
Za mino
I believe.
fa ny famantarana
I believe that the sign
dia satria Andriamanitra
is because God is
Andriamanitra
there.
miasa.
God is working.
Ny olona nofidian'Andriamanitra, ny olona ampiasain'Andriamanitra
People that God has chosen, the people that He has prepared them.
meny entana zany misy zavatra noman'Andriamanitra avy any an-danitra mety zareo nomana ao amin'ny fotoana.
For them for this time.
Betsaka ny tontolo ny ten'Andriamanitra
There are people preaching in the gospel, but
samy manana azy koa.
they have their own power.
Dia nefa zao ao anatin'ny fahafenoan'ny fotoana.
But we are at the climax of the timing.
Dia izay no mampatonga izy hoe fotoanan'Andriamanitra.
This is God's timing.
Dia zareo tonga
And they came
miaraka amin'Andriamanitra,
with God's
miaraka
power,
ny fifandraisany zareo amin'Andriamanitra.
with the relationship with God.
Dia izay no izarany malagasy satria
And that's why the
le malagasy le malagasy mihitsy zay na tsy ao anatin'ny fiangonana malavitra an'Andriamanitra le malagasy mihitsy mitadiavy zareo ho kasiana malagasy. Andriamanitra ao anatin'ny zavatra hitany fa ny herin'Andriamanitra satria zareo tonga, satria zareo hitsidika Madagasikara dia hiasa Andriamanitra.
Because they came to Madagascar, God is going to work and God will show and display His power.